Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we dive into the latest news and trends in the crypto world. Today, we're talking about a major development that could impact the value of Bitcoin, the looming American deficit. According to Spencer Hakimian, founder of Talu Capital Management, the new Republican tax bill is set to create a massive $2.5 trillion hole in the U.S. budget. That's right, folks, we're looking at a deficit explosion that's got experts and investors alike sitting up and taking notice. And what's interesting is that many are predicting a flight to tangible assets like Bitcoin in response to this exponential increase in public debt. As Bitcoin immediately responded to these announcements, climbing to $105,503 before stabilizing, it's clear that investors are getting cautious. Now, let's break down the numbers. The Republicans are promising staggering tax cuts of $4 trillion while claiming to save $1.5 trillion on spending. Sounds like a math problem waiting to happen, and indeed, many experts are already grumbling about this dubious arithmetic in Washington. But for Bitcoin, it could be an exceptional opportunity. The massive bond issuance required to finance this deficit will put downward pressure on Treasury bonds. As Spencer Hakimian warned, bonds will be terribly affected. And that's exactly what's happening with the U.S. government juggling massive tax cuts and increasing debt. Bitcoin's programmed scarcity is taking on its full meaning in the face of coming monetary abundance. Now, we're not just talking about any old news here. We're looking at a scenario where the U.S. government might even consider buying Bitcoin to help resolve the American debt crisis. Senator Cynthia Lummis has already suggested that Bitcoin could be part of this solution, with proposals for 1 million Bitcoins being floated around. And it's not just speculation. Morgan Stanley is estimating that the United States should hold up to 3.7 million Bitcoins if crypto becomes a true global reserve currency. That's 18% of the total Bitcoin market capitalization. Folks, it's a staggering number that shows just how big the potential is for this market. But let's not get too carried away here. Not everyone shares this enthusiasm. Arthur Hayes, former CEO of BitMEX, remains skeptical about the U.S. government taking action on this scale, citing current budget concerns as the main obstacle. And Fox Business journalist Charles Gasparino tempers our prevailing optimism, saying that tariffs can't even be considered a viable solution to reduce the deficit. So what does it all mean for us? For Bitcoin enthusiasts like me, who are passionate about exploring the world of crypto and blockchain, this is an incredible opportunity to learn more about the potential of Bitcoin as a store of value. And I truly believe that with time, Bitcoin could be the key to unlocking a world where privacy and financial freedom are guaranteed for everyone. But remember, folks, this is just the beginning. Stay tuned to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your latest updates, news, and insights on the world of crypto.